Now that we know about carbohydrates and proteins, let's talk about nutrients we need in smaller amounts called micronutrients. Even though we need them in tiny amounts, without them, our body can't function properly. Vitamins, the protective nutrients. Vitamins act like tiny helpers in our body. They protect us from falling sick. Some vitamins are water-soluble, like vitamin B and C, which means they dissolve in water and must be taken daily. Others are fat-soluble, like vitamins A, D, E, and K. They are stored in the body's fat and used when needed. Important vitamins and their sources. Let's look at some important vitamins and how they help us. Vitamin A keeps our eyes healthy. We get it from carrots and mangoes. Vitamin B gives us energy to stay active. It's found in cereals and milk. Vitamin C boosts our immunity and protects us from infections. Oranges and amla are great sources. Vitamin D helps our bones grow strong. We get it from sunlight and milk. Vitamin E keeps our skin soft and healthy. Nuts and seeds are rich in it. Vitamin K helps our blood clot properly when we get a cut. Spinach and broccoli give us this vitamin. So, eat a variety of foods to get all these helpful vitamins. What if we don't get enough vitamins? Just like a car stops without fuel, our body can't work properly without vitamins. When we don't get enough of them, it leads to deficiency diseases. For example, lack of vitamin A can cause night blindness, where we can't see well in dim light. Not getting enough vitamin C can cause scurvy, which makes our gums bleed and wounds heal slowly. A shortage of vitamin D leads to rickets, a disease that makes bones soft and weak. That's why it's important to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables every day. Let's learn about minerals. Minerals are like the body's building blocks and regulators. Think of calcium like the cement in your bones and iron as the oxygen carrier in your blood. Important minerals and deficiency diseases. If we skip these important minerals, our body faces serious problems. For example, calcium is found in milk and cheese. It helps build strong bones and teeth. Without it, bones can become weak and brittle. Iron is a mineral that helps our blood carry oxygen. When we don't get enough iron, we feel weak and tired because our blood can't carry enough oxygen. This condition is called anemia. We can get iron from foods like green leafy vegetables, jaggery, and pulses. Iodine is found in iodized salt and seafood. It keeps our thyroid gland healthy. A lack of iodine can lead to a swelling in the neck called goiter. Balanced diet. Putting it all together. A balanced diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, water and roughage. Think of a balanced diet like a full team. If even one member is missing, the body can't win the health game. Recap time. Let's quickly revise what we've learned about micronutrients. Micronutrients is equal to vitamins plus minerals. Vitamins help protect us from diseases and heal our body. Minerals help build strong bones and regulate body functions. A balanced diet gives us all the vitamins and minerals we need to stay healthy.